Cut a thin sanitary pad and put it in your shoes. You'll thank me for this trick later. Thin sanitary pads are perfect for heels and all other types of shoes. Cut them into smaller pieces and insert them into your shoes. Every woman should know this trick. When your shoes cause blisters, you can use thin sanitary pads. They have rounded ends. Cut them off. You'll have 2 such pieces. They are delicate and soft. Remove the protective paper from the adhesive side. Stick 1 piece inside your shoe, precisely at the heel. Do the same with the other shoe. This will prevent your feet from slipping out of the heels and stop them from rubbing against your heels. It's the perfect solution for women, providing comfort and convenience when wearing heels or new shoes. Stick a pad to a fly swatter. Take a standard fly swatter, the kind you have at home. Any will work. Then remove the pad from its packaging. Peel off the protective papers and stick the pad onto the fly swatter. Use this prepared tool to clean the floor under the cabinets, where the mop can't reach. This tool will reach every crevice with ease. Notice how the pad picks up dirt perfectly. You'll see that your floors will shine with cleanliness and sparkle like never before. You can use this tool on any difficult surface. Watch how the pad effectively collects dirt, removing even the smallest particles. This way, you'll remove dirt and dust from hard-to-reach areas where the mop couldn't go. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. Using a pad in your daily cleaning routine surprises with its efficiency and versatility. With it, your home will always look like it's been professionally cleaned. Place a sanitary pad in the washing machine. You'll use this trick more often than you think. The pad will help keep your washing machine in perfect condition. Take a sanitary pad and remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick them together. Now, spray the pad with a cleaning solution. The pad is now ready for cleaning. Lift the seal, the rubber part of the drum, and insert the pad inside. Repeat this process until the entire rubber surface of the drum is covered with pads. Leave them for an hour, then remove them. You'll see how much dirt they collected in that time. Use a microfiber cloth to clean any remaining residue on the rubber part. Wipe away any excess liquid with a towel or paper. Your washing machine is as good as new. By using this method, you ensure that the inside of your machine is disinfected and refreshed. The cleaning agents also remove limescale and prevent it from building up again. A sanitary pad can clean your windows, and you'll never have to climb a ladder again. Let me show you the best way to clean your exterior windows. With this trick, your windows will shine like never before. Take a sanitary pad and attach it to a Swiffer. Then, remove it from the packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick it onto the Swiffer. Now, spray the pad with window cleaner. Use this setup to wash your windows. You won't need to climb a ladder, and you'll be able to reach every window with ease. Remember to spray the pad with more window cleaner from time to time. Wipe the windows again. You'll see how the pad effortlessly picks up dirt. Your windows will be sparkling clean and shine like never before. You can also use this tool to clean the front and rear windshields of your car. It's a simple yet highly effective way to remove dirt and streaks. With a sanitary pad, your windows will be spotless. Pour this liquid on panty liners and see how fantastically it works. If you have regular panty liners or thin, small pads, use them. Pads and panty liners are essential for the personal hygiene of every woman. They are absorbent and don't leak, which makes them useful for other purposes. Take 1 panty liner and cut it in half with scissors, just like I do in the video. Spread them out on a table or countertop. Take your favorite fabric softener and pour a small amount into a measuring cup. Pour it over both pieces of the liner. Pour just enough so that it soaks into the pad without dripping. Now, remove the paper covering the sticky part of the liner. Take the liner and open your wardrobe. Here's where we'll use our fabric softener-soaked liner. Stick the liner to the side wall of the wardrobe. Stick the other half on the opposite side. This makes an excellent wardrobe freshener. Thanks to these liners, your wardrobe will have the pleasant scent of fresh laundry. You can easily make another freshener when this one stops working. I attach the thinly spread pad to my foot. It's a great substitute for a foot file. If you have a problem with thick, cracked skin on your feet, this trick will definitely change your life. Although it looks strange, its effectiveness is fantastic. I stopped going to the beautician. All you need is a regular pad and a paste that you can make at home. Into a bowl, I squeeze toothpaste. Most people don't know that it has a brilliant effect on the skin. It has exfoliating properties. It gently removes dead skin cells. Additionally, it disinfects and softens the skin. Next, I add a tablespoon of baking soda. This helps achieve the consistency of the paste. Additionally, it has antibacterial properties. It calms inflammation. Baking soda also has a softening effect on the skin. It enhances the action of the paste. I apply the prepared paste onto a regular pad. I don't skimp and apply a really thick layer. Then I place a clean foot on top of it. It's important that the heel doesn't protrude. I secure this compress with a sock. It presses the paste onto the leg perfectly and prevents it from shifting. We leave it on for 2 hours. After that time, we remove the sock and wash our feet with lukewarm water. Gently massage in circular motions. I repeat this procedure once a week. Cracks and fungal infections will disappear, and the feet are as soft as a baby's. Do your high heels pinch and rub? It doesn't have to be that way. There's a way to dance all night in new heels without discomfort. Even if you have a party in a few hours, you have time to stretch your heels. Our grandmothers used to put potatoes in their shoes. They would peel a raw potato and place it in each shoe. They left the shoes with potatoes inside overnight. During this time, the potato juice softened and stretched the shoe leather without causing any damage. But you don't have to use potatoes. Instead, I'll show you another trick. Before you learn it, see what I use when wearing high heels. Before putting on heels, I always apply deodorant to my feet, especially in areas prone to rubbing, like heels and toes. The antiperspirant prevents excessive sweating in those areas, preventing blisters. For shoes that are too tight, use water. Pour it into drawstring bags and place these inserts in the toe of the shoes. Put each shoe into a larger drawstring bag. Now just put the heels in the freezer. The water will freeze, and during this process, the ice will expand the shoes. After taking them out of the freezer, simply remove the ice bags and you're ready to go. The heels will be looser and won't pinch. You can dance in them all night. What are your ways to deal with too tight heels? Were you familiar with the freezer method?